Okay. I'm gonna try to make a car that is drivable, and we can like sit inside the car and outside the car, whatever. I have never done this, so this will be kind of my first time. Sports car. Fucking hate you, fam. Okay. So basically, we're gonna be able to sit in here and drive it. I don't know, but we're gonna make it somehow. Have a reference to our player. Bum, 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 bum. Maybe I should have made it like no, can't do that. Maybe I can. Just don't use the tag and just use like a normal human being with um this one. Yeah. Now we can interact with it. And if we interact with it, we possess it. No. Like this. I think we should be able to possess it now, but it's gonna look ridiculous. Then meaning it's gonna look stupid. Because our capsule is right there. And we don't have a camera. Let's try the camera. I never made like in horror games any like driving stuff, you know, where you have to interact with vehicles. Ooh. How the fuck do I interact? Collision. Sure. Jeez, what the fuck? Shut the fuck up. Your whole table is just fucking vibrating. Because of my fucking watch. Okay. Should be able to... Yeah, no shit, Brody. I should be able to do it, but... Something isn't working. Ah, no, I think I know why. Can interact. Yeah. It works. We made a car. So you can walk up to it. You can see the indicator. You click on it and you're in the car. We cannot move around because we don't have any inputs. Because how it works, we're possessing. So it's basically like a player. So technically, I think if we take these things, put it here, maybe not like that, here, let's, yeah, we don't need this, we don't need this, and we don't need this. Will it be able to? Shit, man. Shit, man. Because I fell. Okay. Okay, that is not what I meant by... Now I can move the car. Like, because, yeah, shit, man. Uh, that is not what I meant to create. But then we can just rotate it using the camera. No? Okay, can we have it as a target? It's gonna take the controller. Okay, we can just do rotation and stuff. Let's try doing this. Is that the mapping? No. This one. Default. Okay. If we get the right actor, add movement. Well, we're basically gonna do... Well, we can do the same here, right? So this should work. It's for driving stuff. So if we take this as a right, that's gonna... Fucking ue5, man. Please work. Stupid ass motherfucker. No, okay, no man. Maybe we need... Maybe not like this if we add a branch and do cut velocity length, so we get the speed of it. And if it is greater than 400, let's plug that in. 400, maybe less than that, probably. Add controller. Is it yarn? Probably yarn. Then we can multiply this by this. It should technically, maybe not, probably not. Yeah, fuck you off, man. Close enough. I mean, it moves, so it drives. Moves equals drive, so drive move equal move drive. Drive, we driving. No. That's uh, huh. Okay. Okay, let's do something else. Maybe I can get that shit later on. Let's make it. Let's do. So we're gonna move the player kind of next to the car, so it's not like straight, like I don't know, inside the motor or something like that. But there will be kind of bugs if there's like I don't know, a tree next to it probably, but who the fuck cares, right? Right. Hmm. We're getting the car. We're moving the car. No, what the fuck am I doing? I need the. Wait, limit this now. I think this will probably not work. Yeah, my god, man. I didn't add the input image again. I mean, it's technically going to probably work, but you have to unpossess it. And this doesn't work. So like a debug key. Let's have like a delay. So he's gonna unpossess and then unpossess himself. Just always have to spawn me there. Okay, it doesn't work when I press A, man. Because I'm possessing that. Yeah, no shit, it doesn't work. Dumbass. Okay. This will work, but we cannot exit it, right? We don't have I don't think this will work though. I don't think it will, but we can test it out. I'm gonna test that shit out, bro. Yeah, it doesn't work. No, maybe no, it doesn't. Because it doesn't have a reference. This isn't a reference. But I'm still gonna try that. BP player. Get player controller. No, wait. I think I didn't plug it in. I didn't plug this in. Maybe it does work. If it's not gonna spawn me in there all the fucking time. No, it doesn't work. No, what? What? No. Okay. The delay is so fucking long. Jesus Christ. Does it need a delay? It's annoying though. It's realistic but annoying as well. Okay. Everything works except the driving. We can enter it and we can exit it. Exit it. So I mean, I think I know what's the problem. But I'm not sure. No. So annoying. This thing is annoying. Calm down, man. Calm down. It doesn't make any sense. What does it do down like that? Maybe. Sometimes our math isn't mathing. It works, but it doesn't work. Close enough though. Yeah, okay, it's the same thing. Hmm. I think I seem a little bit retarded doing this. I fucking hate doing cars, man. Fuck. How to do turn in place intro? Didn't I make it? Did I make something like that? I mean, it's all about animations, to be honest. I mean, I can try. It's pretty easy to do. Like in, I think, was this Star Citizen? I don't fucking know. I think it has similar movement. Also, like, yeah, yeah, I can try, I guess. When I figured this shit out, what happens? Why WSAD? Am I don't get it. Cause yeah, that should do that. It should move that. Hmm. It's pretty weird when it moves. Like I'm pressing W and it moves to the fucking right. Pressing S, it moves. I'm confused. Wait, what if we, what if we do it like this? There should be another one. Look. We get the camera. Get a local rotation. Trigger that bullshit. Split that bullshit. Split that as well. And that should be C, I think. Holy shit. This is fucked up. And I can hear the footsteps as well. Because I didn't stop them. Oh, it works. It works, I can move. Except like kind of weirdly. If I face it like this, it moves. It doesn't move. But now it does. I'm trying to figure out what is wrong with this image. Left and right Forward, backwards. And that's the Y one? Okay, what if we do it like this? Huh. It's so buggy. Oh, it's so fucking, oh, it's so ass. The driving's so ass. Oh, oh, it stinks. Literally stinks. If you don't do that, should be a better way to turn because the turning, well, this is the turning speed. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not bad. What I'm gonna do is open another project. I wanna see how do they do driving stuff. What if I max walk speed? What happens when we increase it? For example, for like, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's cool. Oh, it's not do that much. Like two, my memory is going. Like vehicles. I just want to see how they do that shit. Okay, now it seems realistic enough, so it accelerates slower. This is so fucked. What the fuck did I move it like that, man? Can I jump? I can't jump with the car, man. Needs some sort of rotation on this. But 1000. Why not? Let's increase everything. No, fuck it, bro. If something doesn't work, just increase it. Maybe upset. Jesus fucking Christ. 7000. Oh, fuck no. 5 gigabytes? Yeah, I don't have fucking free space, man. Leave me alone. What the fuck? That's not good. That's not good. Oh, which one? Probably this one, because it's compiling shaders. Cancel. Wrong one. Probably this one. Oh, fuck, I fucked. I fucked up. I fucked up. I fucked up. No! Leave me alone. Fuck. Fuck, I fuck. And everything that I did is unsaved now. I am 100% sure I'm gonna take this computer and fucking throw it away, man. Swear to God. This is ridiculous. Hopefully I can restore it. Probably not. Yeah. Something got restored though. Oh, it got restored. Thank you, autosave. I love you, man. Okay. Rotation. I had the rotation the better. I'm not really sure. It's increased like crazy amount. Yes, kind of. It's really choppy, I would say. What happens if I do this? Probably gonna break something, but no, it doesn't rotate. Yeah, it kind of does, but okay. Let's decrease it. No, it's not gonna rotate, right? It shouldn't. Okay. Oh, so the rotation doesn't matter. 0.5. Maybe this will do. One of them should do it. Yeah. Okay. 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 So this is the thing that it does. Jesus Christ. This is from what was the Fear of Phantom, I think? One of the episodes. Scratch Creek? No, I think that's the latest one. I don't fucking know. This one. Northern Hike Hitchhike. I played that one. It had similar driving style. I don't think I have the game. Well, I can actually open it, but we'll see. I think it was something like this. So it has a road. It uses some sort of level streaming, although the developer hasn't really said anything about it. No shit. But we're gonna use uh, world partition. So it's kind of cool how it works. It basically generates chunks. Well, splits your map into chunks, and it kind of generates itself. So you don't need to do any level streaming or any code. It just does it. So we're gonna try to do it now. Well, we're gonna test it out a bit. We're gonna mess around with it. I need this. Does it? Oh, this is spooky. This game is not about what I'm making it to be. Let's just try to do something real quick. Well, actually, let's do it like this. Landscape. Let's just make a big ass fucking landscape, as big as possible. Okay, maybe not that big. Some shit like that. It's quite large, to be honest. Okay, and if we enable it, make in place so it doesn't create a copy of this world, it just makes this as a warp. Technically that's bad and I shouldn't do it, but who cares? Who cares? Who the fuck cares? It's gonna take a while, to be honest. I'm listening to some goofy dismiss. No idea, but that's kind of good music, to be honest. Gives me the 80s/90s vibe. As you can see, my typing is phenomenal. What? It's fucking multiplayer. Oh, that's Scratch Creek. Shit, man. Brody's up the game. Okay. Why? Okay, phew. Phew. Let's do the duplicate, I think. I still have to remake it though. Let's select. Generate a save footage. Keep below. Okay, let's do this. That is weird. It worked. I literally tested it out and it worked. What? What the fuck are you talking about, man? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Let's create a new basic level with the maybe because the map is no it that shit does not make sense. Create, save, map one, create the partition. Bam. It's gonna say it doesn't work and now I have to fucking spend half an hour trying to figure out why it doesn't work. That always happens with this engine. With Unity, it's simple. Oh, it was. Wow. I'm not gonna delete it yet. Okay, so it generates. I don't need these. Should they generate these things, right? No idea what they mean. But there's world partition, right? If you go to Windows or partition, world partition editor, and this is your map chunks. Wow. You can like select and do load. It's gonna load the whole region, right? The region is if I no one load this super gray thingy. That's the map. So if I load this, I can load like half of the section. I can load this section, right? Or some shit like that. I don't fucking know. But the moral of the story is that we can now in the world settings change how we generate shit. So if we play, well, it's gonna look like this, right? No partition, kind of. Well, that is, but the default one. So how it works, if we take the cell size at its lowest, this is 5, for example. It doesn't work. 100. Okay, let's do debug. Let's load. Some red ass, motherfucker. Red ass. I said red. 100. 100. Wait, this is the green. I'm so confused now. Okay. And merge instance. Merge. Okay. I still don't understand what the half of this means, by the way, so. No, okay. No, okay. Switch back. But this should work because this is main partition. Cancel open edit cell size. Okay, maybe it's too. Like 5,000. I did it once, but okay, now it works. Kind of weirdly. Debug. Let's load this in. It's the grid. Trying to understand what the fuck is happening. Okay, this is the merger. Let's have it as whatever. This is the instance, and this is, I guess, the main partition. What will be blue, blue, blue. Blue. Okay. Listen to me, man. I want you to be fucking blue, man. Okay, sure. Okay, let's reset this. And if we make this 100. Okay, that's fine. 1000. I don't remember it looking like this, by the way. So I'm kind of screaming right now. Okay, I'll leave that alone. Am I going insane? Okay, that now it looks like okay. Maybe it was bugged. So this is how it's gonna look. So you lower this to 500, this to 5000, and if you spawn in, can I see the grid? This is the grid, right? It really weirdly loads and unloads, like in 4 sections. Can we make it? Okay, if we make this 5000, or what is the lowest? This one, right? Because it should make it smaller, the grids. Yeah, they should load like this, and but they do not do that because it's fucking retarded. I guess this map is kind of big, but it should be able to do what I ask now. I'm gonna switch. So fucking weird. Why does it give? See, it doesn't unload behind me. I wanna test it out so it unloads really, really closely to me. For some reason, it says "fuck you." I ain't gonna do that. Level streaming. What's the difference between that? Partition LG grid, LG grid, and level streaming. Refers to loose some hierarchy grid, the modern thingy-majiggy. Okay. Let's just do this. Let's do it again. Maybe I fucked up somehow. I don't know. I don't know. Hey. I like how it doesn't work anymore. But when I tasted, yeah, it's fuck you, bro. Jesus Christ. Why? Okay. Let's test it out again. Let's get a new level. Let's do a basic one. Let's make it smaller, maybe. Maybe smaller is, better. Hopefully. For example, yeah, 7. That's the smallest. That's like super small. Maybe that's too small. Let's create it 31. And if we convert that into partition, I'll then save it. Don't know. Okay, it did generate that. And if we play, well, it's really noticeable, but there is probably like things that are ungenerating. Hopefully. Now, I want to test out, does it actually do it? Okay. And if we decrease this, it's 12,000. Let's do 5,000. The loading range of also 5,000. Now let's load all of this in. So this would be the range, technically, right? Let's make it 1,000. Okay. Let's make this 2,000. So it's smaller grid. What happens? Shit happens weirdly. Well, let's see. So I guess these are the grids. And this should generate when I walk. So no, it should be gone. Hmm. Maybe I'm not getting something. I haven't watched any tutorials on this, so I have no fucking clue how it works. Yeah, like grid thingy majiggy, yeah. Repetition extra for test. Oh, okay. I don't need that. Using repetition, so also done using component. So it has a component. Enable streaming source, disable it. Okay, grid name contains the name of the runtime grid. Cell size determines the size of the grid cells that are used to generate streaming. Example, the cell size is 25 by 25. Oh, 256, I mean. I'm just fucking retarded. The terms range from cell cell load. The image bowl loads range 768 meters radius around streaming. Grid cells are not loading fast enough. In the window, click drag, okay. Loaded, unloaded using location volumes. What the fuck? A location volume is an editor only volume placed in the level that represents region of the map. One place actor window or the open search for. What the fuck? What is this, bro? What is this? STOs, what? What is this, bro? I mean, it makes sense how it does that. If you have like a large world, like this is Fortnite, right? This is like hella large, right? Like from here to like somewhere there, that's like 5 minutes, right? And this is like the area where it loads in, and the rest of it doesn't load in for the player. That's for each player, right? I want to make it small. I did it, but now it doesn't. Maybe I'll just make it smaller. No, it doesn't. Maybe I'm just retarded and doing something wrong. What could I be doing wrong? What the fuck? Oh, I think I'm just retarded. I am. Nobody fucking told me. What the fuck? Nobody fucking told me. I know what's wrong with this. With this image. I know what's wrong with it. I'm fucking retarded. What's that? Some sort of fucking foliage, right? I think I'm not sure actually. Okay. Okay, I need something bigger to be honest. Let's delete this. Tree. Can I place a tree? Please? Please, man, please. Please let me place a tree. Okay, let's just place some random ass trees, right? Let's make this normal. Let's just make a lot of trees, right? Let's make this 500. 5,000. Uh, let's so represent this a little bit better and see. Let's do some here, some there, some there, some there, some there, some there. I just want to see. Maybe I'm just wrong. No, I can see that. I should not be able to see the corners. And I'm thought I'm fucking retarded. I'm not retarded, man. What the fuck? How one them trees disappeared. Maybe I have to. There isn't any partition. Let's see. What does that mean? Contains the name of the runtime grid. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, that's good. I mean, I'm not really complaining that that shit disappears, but the thing is, it disappears so closely to you. What isn't really good. That is not what I want. If I unload this. So 4 instances. Interesting. Hmm. Very interesting. Okay. Okay, these are the grids, right? It's really strange. I'm still trying to understand how this shit works, but I fucking don't. Because it's weird. And if I, well, it says loading determines range from the streaming source where the cells are loaded in the image above. Maybe, but it does work. A runtime grid, maybe I have to paste this into. Cancel opening edit loading range. Operate to start playing the editor. Determine which partition grid actors will be placed. Okay, let's do 100. That's crazy. Shit's happening. Still, like, how do you make this smaller? Where's some actor? What is that? What's that mean? Oh, okay, cool. So it creates for yeah, these are the things that get loaded in. Okay. Holy shit. This shit is fucking. It's like a 2-year-old is learning college advanced math shit. Cause I have no fucking clue what I'm doing right now. Does it say what's the word partition runtime spatial thingy which you get, right? So this one, grid name, assume main one, right? I don't know what the fuck is this, all this. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Main one, runtime grid main one, right? Yeah. This one, there's 4 actors. Okay, cool. Main one, right? Okay. That's the lowest it goes. If we add priority 1, okay. Nothing happens. Cool. Sure. That's fantastic. No idea what's equaling. Yeah, you show me. You show me the grids. What will load, but the thing is that this shit does not work, man. Oh shit. What the hell is that shit? Come. I could build a fucking mini map. Come. Let's see. World petition. Because I have a small world. Hmm. Oh, that's interesting. I have no idea what he's saying, but basically you can make so one region, one like chunk will be always loaded. That's what I'm getting. Shit, that's fucked, bro. Okay, I guess it's meant to be like that, but I swear to God, when I tested this out, shit worked like a no loaded regions. To load region drag load. Yeah, so these are the chunks, man. I want them smaller. How do I make them smaller? Um, no idea what that means. Let's build that shit. Let's stop building actually. Okay. Let's but what the fuck? Is it possible? It should be technically possible. Let's put this here. No way, it deleted everything. Okay, never mind. Partition, it should. What if I make a copy of it? Okay. Eh. Yeah, I already read that shit, bro. Oh, this is something new. We have plain, these are roads and these are blocking volumes. Cool. Oh, I can't see them because they are not loaded. Wow, isn't that cool? Let's see. Oh, it works. This is this. Oh my god, I cannot get in. This is what I'm talking about. That's why. Yeah. Okay. So I messed up a bit. We'll learn. So it gradually unloads behind me and loads in front of me based on our range. So 500 is still small. Holy shit. Yeah. 10,000. And this will be 5,000. Some shit like that. So everything here will be loaded, so you cannot really see what's not loaded, what is loaded. So if we make this endless ass road, you will not be able to spot that something is loading and unloading. Because we have the fog and shit, right? So the road what the fuck, man? Why did it get destroyed? Oh, maybe I reached this point, no? Because there's nothing here. Could be. But why does it show that it's like that? Oh, this is like endless shit, no? This is the landscape, okay? So I'm here. Okay, why did the car not work? Let's see. Why does it stop? Here, okay, that's right. I just get destroyed for some reason. Uh, Okay, so I go faster and it disappears. What the fuck is that bug, bro? I didn't exit. Spatial. I don't even know what the words are. So I have to uncheck that. And we will be able to drive endlessly until we fall off. Yeah. No! Fuck you, bro. Give me fucking false ass hopes. To ensure you play characters or essential points remain always ordered and unaffected by cell streaming in UE5 or partition disable this battle loaded property in the actor's details panel. Yeah, uncheck that shit, man. Maybe control as well. Okay, let's try it now. No, it still gets unloaded. The other thing we can attach it to the car, but I do not want to do that. Because how we do it, yeah, we basically want to keep it alone then. Because then we just open the player. Hmm. Guess you can try to untouch it, no? What happens? I don't fucking know. A shovel will appear probably. Okay, maybe it's not that. I'm not really sure. Maybe this is getting unloaded. Select your character blueprint or spawn manager to go to world petition. Wait, what? determines if the actor is spatially loaded and placed in a particular world. If true, this actor will be loaded when it in the range of the streaming source, and if no data layers or two more data layers enable, a false actor will be loaded in no data layers. One or more of the data layers are enabled. What? I mean, why? Why? Why do shit have problems? Why is shit noisy? Yeah, it unloaded. I'm still driving, so oh, it works. So it's the second index. Okay, now I get it. We'll just have to up it. So everything that I ticked off is the second thing image game. So this should be very giant. No, giant. Large amount. Okay. Okay, it works. So good. So we can drive and you will see like the road disappearing. Good. So this is getting somewhere. We have a fucking car. What I wanna do is for the camera. Can I decrease the rotation? Oh, I can just clamp it now. We clamp. You can clamp that. What? Hmm. Interesting. I was gonna load that. I want to clamp that. How do I clamp? Is that an option? Okay. You can do that. Set view pitch min max. Set view. Okay. Clamp rotation. View pitchman. Sure. Okay, that is a real thing. Camera manager. It's a camera bloom. Okay. What is road electronics clamp? Oh, look at function. Oh, that's kind of smart though. Okay, let's just think it logically. So when we plug this in, we can move it around, right? If it is greater than, but then we have to check if it's minus or minus 180 and minus, let's say 180. So it's positive, right? I just want to test it out. Okay. I know there's a node for that shit, but I'm not sure where to find that shit. Everything's so slow tonight. Let's ask my good old friend. Will you give me an answer that works? Probably not. I have never clamped the rotation before, so I fucking know. Create a custom camera. Yeah, fuck no. Instead of plugging the input value straight into add control pitch input, calculate it manually. Drag out from the camera component capsule, key control rotation. Break rotator, separate pitch row. Take the pitch output and add it to your input Y. You may need to multiply this, blah blah blah. Bruh. Okay. What did I need to do? I control pitch input. Can do none. Add world rotation. Okay. I can't. What the fuck? Fucking getting. Feel like I'm fucking retarded now. Oh, we can come up fucking integer, alright. Why 180? What the fuck? Jesus fuck. Okay. What if you fucking climb this shit, bro? I don't want it to look backwards. Why do I? It's so fucking annoying. Cause I cannot get relative rotation. Why? Okay, no, I can't, okay. Rotation, any source of rotation. Get world rotation. Let's test that out. Let's break it into a rotator, okay. What else can we do? What else can we do? So get this and let's do multiply. I don't know, by 10, and let's add this into that. Let's clamp like 90 minus 90. Do I have to make it into a probably not? Put that in. Stop spawning me into a fucking RAM, my man. Jesus. Okay, it works. But can I just plug this in? No, it doesn't work. So annoying. Okay. 0.1. That's the speed of it, I think. Well, it should be. Do I have to increase it? What the fuck happened, man? If I increase it, that's bad. 1. Fuck me. Literally just multiply it by 1, man. We are getting somewhere, I think. I'm not sure, no. Hopefully. I'm scared of getting actors rotation is gonna... Yeah. It's gonna do that. I need the camera itself. Get socket rotation. Get relative rotation. That's what I needed. Okay. No. What the fuck? Slow the fuck down, man. What? Why does it move that fast? I don't get it. Like, slow down, bro. Slow down. What if we multiply by higher value? That makes sense. No, it doesn't. Yeah, man. Oh my god, I'm fucking hate. Ooh, I hate this game, man. One node, one singular node, one node that messed everything up. Holy shit, bro. What the fuck did I even use that ridiculous add local rotation? That's a relative location. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, okay, okay. It works. It works. That's all I needed. Fucking car, man. It's really shitty how it drive. It's not really realistic, but that's the point of it. That's the like, that's the point of it. The thing is, would like the steering wheel to move as well, but for now it's fine. And of course, I need like car sounds. You can look around. You can drive. It's like fucking Roblox type shit, man. The stopping is so much. Um, the wait, is it? How does it work? It also makes so there's no camera movements because somehow it does the camera thingies. I guess it's better. I don't know. Okay, so we have a car. That's good. So we can like start doing the cutscene thing in the game. You have to drive, drive, drive until you end up here. I forgot the button to align it. Can we make corners out of this? It's gonna be stupid, will it not? I think it's gonna look stupid. Because all I can get them, but maybe I can make it myself. Oh yeah, this looks fucking fire. This is what I wanted. Hell yeah. I think we can use splines for this one. That would be kinda cool. Birds decorate using landscape splines for terrain blueprint spline. Okay, let's watch a real quick tutorial on this. That's gonna take me like 3 minutes. That looks fucking shit. Anyways, okay, gets that. And there's some shit with that. He messes everything up so it looks terrible. Nice. I'm kidding, by the way. Oh, it's in the landscape thing image again. Let's try this. Delete all of this. I'm gonna leave that there, so just I wanna test it out. Spline. I don't know where I put the road thing. Oh, that's a plane, isn't it? That's fuck. Can I create this into? Can I? I think that's not possible. Let's see. Can I make it because we can't? Can we do it like this? Because I want to make this into oh fucking did it. Okay. You create a new layer. Did you create just okay, what? What in the fuck? Oh, I'm gonna just create another one. Yeah. This is just a layer. Oh, control and then left click. What the fuck? What in the fuck? Okay. Just want to test it out. For example, like this, and then let's. Whoops. That's weird. Oh, okay. 90 degrees, huh? And try to make it as smooth as possible. Probably it's not gonna. Make something like this. Some random shit. Okay. What if I make this into this? Will it show? No, it's just a spline. Spline mesh. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's opposite. Can we rotate it? Oh, we can, I think. That's just the center that goes up. Should be 0.1. I need it to rotate. Fucking Christ, you can't. What the fuck you can't rotate it, that's weird. Okay, let's go to modeling. Let's take this. Transform. And let's just rotate it. 90. Complete. Bake. Bam. Okay. Yeah, the corners will look kind of weird though, I think. Oh, now I have to do it for each one. Sucks. Okay, it doesn't look that bad to be honest. I mean, who's gonna look at the fucking road if you have like a fog like this? You know, maybe it's not gonna be that bad, but you know, something like that. Oh, that's a virtual one. Okay, it's not that bad. It actually, yeah, it looks really, really good using the spline one. Well, better than not using the spline one. Yeah, it looks, it's wide as well. It's wider than that, and the texture doesn't actually break and stuff. I don't know how about loading and stuff. Hopefully, well, it should be alright. You can, yeah, it should. Yeah, it should. Okay. That was just for testing purposes. Well, now we know we can add splines very easily, all roads, I mean, rivers and so on. I guess that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna take a